Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to install these rear strut tower caps. They're in a carbon fiber pattern and they go on the top of the strut towers in the engine compartment of your C8 Corvette. They give it a really nice professional look, a carbon fiber look that it really stands out, really pops. The kit comes with 2 covers, 6 nuts, and 6 black plastic caps. We have to disconnect this part first, which is part of the ride control. What I did here was release the plug, and then there's this red thing needs to go back, and then underneath here with a fine screwdriver carefully lift up that edge, and these things come apart. Okay, if you did what I did, we need to take this piece off, which just slides and then locks here. So we just lift this bar up and this part comes off, which allows us then to bring it through the opening. Okay, here's the cable through the opening, and then literally that's how it's supposed to fit, just like that. It does look good. Now we'll put the nuts on and the caps. So these are 13mm nuts. We'll just spin those on, tighten them up loosely. We don't want to crank them too tight. I will snug them a little bit. That's good. Okay, my caps don't fit very well because the stem's still too big, so I'm going to take these 2 off. This one fit fine, and I'm going to put a washer under each one of these to bring it up so the caps will fit better. So I'm just hand holding the camera, showing that nice carbon fiber pattern. Okay, I've taken the washers off. I'm going to take this up. It's a little tight. Then we'll put the washers on top of the existing nuts. Put this back. Then put the nuts here. Because the black caps cover the nut completely and there's not any exposed washers, they look so much better. That up a little bit. Don't want to break it. These black caps, just for safety, and that is a clean install. See the other side? Already did that one. So that's the installation of the rear strut tower covers with the carbon fiber pattern. They're very nice. They fit really well. Anyway, I think that's going to be a nice addition to our Corvette Z06. If this was helpful, thumbs up please. Consider subscribing. Enjoy your Corvette.